Well, hello, and welcome back. My name is Andy Merrick, and I am getting ready to go outside and try something I've never done before. It's 11:19 on January 31st. Sit back and enjoy.
Well, here we are in beautiful northern Michigan. It is a balmy 0 degrees. And I'm about to go outside and do what everybody else seems to be doing because it looks really cool. I'm not sure it'll work, but stand by. Here we go. Definitely cold out here, but look how bright it is. What you're about to see is going to be really, really cool. If it works like it's supposed to. Alright, here we are with some boiling hot water in 0 degree temperature. A lot of people here in northern Michigan are doing this. Let's see what happens. Snow! That's kind of cool. Well, hey, I hope you liked the video. It was fun making this. I can't believe it worked. I do ask that if you do this yourself, please use caution. You could get burned. You're throwing hot water up in the air. If it's not cold enough and it comes back down on top of you, odds are you're going to feel some pain. Do me a favor, if you like what you saw, hit that like button. It makes a big difference. Lets me know that you enjoy what you've seen. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that little bell, it's somewhere here, so you get notified when I post the next video.